Does your home resemble a battleground against dust bunnies and pet hair? Are you constantly battling allergies and searching for a vacuum cleaner that improves air quality? The Kenmore Elite Bagged HEPA Upright Vacuum, with its impressive features and powerful cleaning performance, might be your new cleaning champion. However, before you run out and buy one, there are some important factors to consider, especially the weight. This review delves into the functionalities, potential drawbacks, and overall effectiveness of the Kenmore Elite to help you decide if it's the perfect fit for your cleaning needs. Unleashing cleaning power. A 3D inducer motor for deep cleaning. The Kenmore Elite boasts a unique 3D inducer motor with Kenmore's exclusive power flow technology. Think of this as a triple-threat motor system that generates 20% more air power than a conventional upright vacuum. This translates into exceptional cleaning performance, ensuring thorough removal of dirt, dust, and pet hair from carpets and hard floors. Combined with the beltless agitator design, this vacuum promises consistent suction power even with a full bag, eliminating the worry of leaving debris behind. Triple HEPA Filtration. Breathing easier with cleaner air. For allergy sufferers and pet owners, clean air is essential. The Kenmore Elite features a triple HEPA filtration system designed to capture a whopping 99–97% of dust particles, allergens, pollen, and bacteria down to 0.3 microns. This advanced filtration system traps dust and debris inside the vacuum, significantly reducing the number of allergy-induced pollutants in your living space. This can lead to improved air quality and a healthier breathing environment for everyone in your home. Conquering pet hair with the pet Handi-Mate. Pet owners understand the struggle against persistent pet hair. The Kenmore Elite tackles this challenge with its innovative pet Handi-Mate attachment. This air-driven tool features a high-speed rotating brush that effectively removes pet hair, dander, and other debris from furniture, stairs, car seats, and other upholstery. No more struggling with attachments that just don't get the job done. The pet Handi-Mate tackles stubborn pet hair with ease, creating a cleaner and more fur-free environment for your furry friend and your family. Versatility and convenience. From carpets to hard floors, the Kenmore Elite isn't a one-trick pony when it comes to cleaning surfaces. This multi-surface vacuum boasts a 5-position height adjustment system that optimizes airflow and cleaning efficiency for various floor types. From plush carpets to hardwood floors and laminate, the Kenmore Elite adjusts to ensure effective cleaning on every surface. Additionally, the reach-out telescoping wand with its convenient onboard storage for attachments offers extended reach for cleaning hard-to-reach areas like corners, ceilings, and high furniture. A few considerations before you buy. Weight might be a limiting factor. While the Kenmore Elite offers a compelling set of features, there are some factors to consider before making a purchase. One of the most significant considerations is the weight. Tipping the scales at 26 pounds, this is a heavyweight upright vacuum cleaner. While some users might not find this a major issue, those with limited mobility or who need to navigate multiple floors might find its weight cumbersome. Additionally, as with most bagged vacuums, you'll need to factor in the ongoing cost of replacing dust bags. The verdict: a powerhouse for cleaning performance. But consider the weight. Overall, the Kenmore Elite Bagged HEPA Upright Vacuum presents a strong option for pet owners and allergy sufferers who prioritize powerful cleaning, HEPA filtration, and pet-specific attachments. The combination of the 3D inducer motor, triple HEPA filtration, and pet Handi-Mate makes it a highly effective tool for creating a clean and healthy home environment. However, the weight might be a significant drawback for some users. If you're looking for a powerful and feature-rich vacuum cleaner that tackles pet hair, cleans various surfaces effectively, and improves air quality, then the Kenmore Elite Bagged HEPA Upright Vacuum is worth considering. However, be sure to factor in the weight and whether it will be manageable for your needs. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.